Checking the calibration of the thermometer. Aim. In this exercise, we will calibrate a STEM-type thermometer and then use it to correctly measure the air temperature of the laboratory. Apparatus: thermometer, heater, cold water beaker, and ring stand. Procedure: thermometer identification. If possible, note the manufacturer, serial number, and manufacture date of the thermometer. Note the temperature. Range of the thermometer. Note the precision of the thermometer. What is the uncertain digit to which readings can be made? Note whether or not the thermometer is a total immersion or partial immersion type. Partial immersion thermometers will have an immersion mark and are designed so that only that part of the stem is exposed to the temperature being measured. Total immersion thermometers are designed so that both the bulb and the entire liquid column must be exposed to the temperature being measured. Check to make sure that the liquid in the stem of the thermometer has not separated. If it has, ask your laboratory instructor for a new thermometer. Calibration at the ice point of water. Fill a styrofoam container with crushed ice. You will have to share a container with another group, so become friendly with your neighbors. Add enough pre-cooled distilled water to cover the ice, but not so much water such that the ice floats. Thoroughly stir the ice-water mixture. Hang your thermometer by a string from a clamp attached to a ring stand until it is appropriately inserted into the ice water. Allow the temperature shown by the thermometer to stabilize. Approximately 10 minutes is required to establish thermal equilibrium. After 3 minutes at the stable temperature, record the temperature to the correct precision. The ice point of water is remarkably stable at 0.000 C. Calibration at the boiling point of water. Set up a hot plate with a 500 milliliter Florence flask resting on it. The flask should be supported by a clamp from a ring stand. Fill the flask about half full with distilled water. Add a few boiling chips to promote smooth boiling. Hang the thermometer from the ring stand as before, such that the immersion mark is in the neck of the flask. Once at reflux, both the water and its vapor will be at the boiling point. Using a Florence flask helps promote the reflux. Why? Turn on the hot plate and allow the water to come to its boiling point. Allow the temperature shown by the thermometer to stabilize, approximately 10 minutes after a rolling boil has been achieved. After 3 minutes at the stable temperature, record the temperature to the correct precision. The boiling point of water is extremely sensitive to the atmospheric pressure. You will be provided with the day's atmospheric pressure. Use this, along with the data in the appendix, to determine the correct boiling point of water. You may have to interpolate the data in the table. If so, a computer program that performs interpolation calculations will be provided. What is the percentage error in your measurement? Result: calibration at the ice point of water. Thermo reading: degree C.